Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 10th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has categorized BigBear.ai Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 111.65% since we advised purchasing BigBear.ai Holdings just 8 days ago. This corresponds to an average return of approximately 13.96% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next movement, as it may proceed in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the level of $6.61, which may present a second opportunity to capitalize on a rise. According to fan theory, $8.97 will be the next potential peak level, acting as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 152.69% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 22.98% and 91.44%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 41.05% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 66.42% and negative 3.43%. This translates to a price range of $2.93 to $8.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, High volatility in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $8.72. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained 0.115% on the last trading day, Monday, the 10th of February, 2025, rising from $8.71 to $8.72. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 18.29% from a day low at $8.20 to a day high of $9.70. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 136.96% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 41 million shares, with a total of 185 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.62 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices may indicate a divergence, serving as an early warning of possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $9.70, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 10.10% or 98 cents below the 52-week high and 45.91% or $7.40 below the all-time high on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai, recognized by its ticker BBAI, is currently experiencing significant volatility, yet it managed to post gains of 2.1% in today's trading session. The company has seen rapid price movements recently, largely due to a combination of strong interest in artificial intelligence stocks and strategic developments for the firm. Just a few days ago, BBAI soared to an all-time high, thanks in part to a Department of Defense contract, which boosted investor confidence and market visibility. Interest in AI stocks has surged as new economic data has driven down treasury yields, creating a favorable environment for this sector. Various factors, including analyst upgrades and a wave of new business acquisitions, have also contributed to the positive sentiment surrounding BBAI. Analysts are paying close attention as there is potential for further upside in the near term, although recent trends in earnings estimates may temper expectations temporarily. In the short term, the stock's current momentum, fueled by heightened interest and contract wins, can support upward price movement, appealing to both retail and institutional investors. Long-term prospects remain promising as BBAI continues to capitalize on the burgeoning demands for AI solutions across various industries. The overall landscape indicates that as the company grows and new opportunities arise, it may well solidify its position within the tech sector, which could lead to sustained stock appreciation moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned a buy grade to BBAI along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright again gave BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at $6.38 and $4.34. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, and since then the stock has risen by 192.62%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 81 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 89 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 104 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $8.71. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.50 between its high and low, representing an increase of 18.29%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 26.47%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. It's important to note that even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -5 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $8.71. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Carolyn Blankenship conducted an insider sale of 66,153 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January, 2025, Paul E. Fulcino executed an insider purchase of 11,338 shares of common stock. On the same day, Pamela Joyce Braden conducted an insider purchase of 21,542 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Peter Anthony Canedo Jr. made an insider purchase of 25,850 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 22nd of January, 2025, BBAI Ultimate Holdings, LLC purchased 43,878 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our analysis indicates that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 89.372. In total, insiders purchased 5,314,143 shares and sold 96,765,080 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.47, reflecting a decline of 2.86%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 82, further amplifying this risk. Notably, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 19 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings exhibits several positive signals. However, we do not believe these are sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it is advisable to consider it a hold or accumulate position while monitoring further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 11th of February, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open at 153 thousandths of a dollar and commence trading at $8.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.